So very good morning to all of you, and I'm sure you all are fine. So let's start our class. So today in this class, we are going to revise, yes. First we'll revise lesson number 9, okay? And after that we learn how to develop descriptive paragraph on the topic, the memorable or the happiest day of my life, okay? So let us start with this, and I'm sure that you remember the message, okay, contained in this lesson. So first question is, why do we require an alternative source of water? Yes, why do we require an alternative source of water? Please raise your hand, you all. Okay, yes, Larsh, you please come over here. Hurry up.
To dry coastal areas and
Okay, you go to your seat. Okay, Radhika, I'm giving you turn, beta. Radhika, I've unmuted you. Please give me the answer.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
We require an alternative resource of water because water is getting depleted at a very fast
Wow,
pace.
very good. So water is being depleted, which is very essential for us. Okay. So it is being depleted at a very fast speed. That's why
Fast pace.
we require an alternative source of water. Very good, Shabash. This one is for you, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, bache. So now let's discuss another question. Okay, next question is, okay, so what are the fog catchers? What are the fog catchers? Okay, I'm going to give turn to Mehak, bache. Yes,
Good morning.
very good morning, bache. Yes, Mehak.
Ma'am, the answer is that the fog catcher is an invention which is a large net made of polypropylene to trap the droplets of water. The net is supported on two poles that are fixed to the ground.
Very good, Shabash. Very good, bache. This one is for you. Okay, now let's discuss another question. That is, how are they used? How fog catchers, how they are used to collect water? Okay, so I'm going to give turn to, yes, Komal beta, I've unmuted you. Yes, Komal, please speak up.
When the wind pushes the fog through the mesh, the water droplets get trapped in it. These water droplets condense and trickle down into a tube that is connected to a bigger tank which holds the water.
Very good, Shabash beta. This one is for you. I'm happy that. Okay. Please mute. Okay, now, okay, I'll tell you what is the main message, okay, that is contained in this lesson. So you already know that the water, which is very much essential for us, it is being depleted, okay, at a very fast speed, okay. So what is the need of the hour? The need of the hour of 24th century is that we should look for the alternative sources of water, okay. And one thing is having the potential. So fogs have the potential to provide, okay, an alternative sources of water in dry regions along with coastal areas, okay. And you know what? These, so the fogs, so this fogs can be harvested by a simple and the unique methods, okay. And these devices are known as fog catchers. Okay, so what are fog catchers? So fog catchers are, they are the simple structures of single or double layer mesh, okay, which are stood on a pole and that are fixed to the ground. Okay, they are used, they serve as the purpose, they serve to trap water, okay, from the rain. Okay, now next we have, okay, so now question is, how do they work? So it is very simple. What happens when the wind push, okay, when the winds push the water droplets through the mesh, they get trapped in it, okay. okay, and they just get contained. They just get condensed and trickles down. What happens? Now they just trickles down and the water gets collected into a bigger tank which is connected to it. Okay, then now this collected water can be used for the various purposes, for agriculture or the domestic reasons. Okay, so one more thing, you know, it is not a new technique. Okay, and you know what? Now this technique has become a boon in the country like Morocco. Okay, you know what? You know why? Because the earlier women had to walk 3 to 4 hours, okay, to the wells. Why? Okay, we had to walk to the distant wells for 3 to 4 hours to get water, okay, to get water for household work, for the domestic purposes. Now, due to this technique, what happens? Now, it not only saves their time, but their energy also, and you know what? It also costs a lot less than what they have to pay for the water trucks, okay, when the wells go dry. So this technique, no doubt, is very good. But you know what? It is also having shortcomings. And what are the shortcomings? Now, this technique is actually based on the source of water, on the source of fresh water, which is not always available. Okay. And one more thing, that is the humidity. Dryness in the air cause the humidity to evaporate even before it trickles down. Okay. And I'm sure everything is clear to you. Okay. Now we'll discuss the word meaning. So first is implemented. Now please raise your hand. What is the meaning of implemented? Yes, Angel Preet, I've given you turn, bete. Yes, Angel Preet.
Ma'am, forced.
What is the meaning of implemented?
Forced.
Okay, yes, forced or carried out. Very good, bache. Excellent. Okay, now what is the meaning of propensity? What does it mean? Okay, Agam Jyot. Agam Jyot.
Excuse me, ma'am. Tendency.
Excellent, Agam Jyot. I think you have most excellent class, and this one is for you. Good. And you gave me the correct answer. Okay, I'm happy. For you, next we have complete sentence. Now, dash are installed in the areas where there is plenty of fog. When we have one area that is full of fog. Okay, when we have plenty of fog. So what can be installed there? Hurry up. Yes, Manmeet. Second, yes, Manmeet, beta. Just given you turn, bache. Yes.
Ma'am, Pavneet.
Hurry up.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Pavneet.
You're not responding. Okay, Pavneet, I've given you turn, bache. Pavneet, hurry up.
Ma'am, fog catchers.
Yes, fog catchers. Fog catchers are installed in areas where there is plenty of fog. Now, very good, excellent. This one is for you, Vita. I'm very much happy for you. This. Good. Now we have, please tell me the meaning of fog. Do you know the meaning of fog? Okay, and I'm sure you all have seen it. Okay, Divyanshi, I've just given you term, beta. Divyanshi, I have unmuted you. Yes, Divyanshi, beta, please give me the answer. Divyanshi. Okay, she's not responding, so I'm going to give turn to. Yes, Mehak. Mehak, please tell me what is the meaning of fog?
Ma'am, meaning of fog. Ma'am, meaning of fog is, ma'am, that when the white that becomes.
Okay, beta. Thick cloud of tiny droplets of water in the atmosphere. That is called fog. I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are going to discuss. Okay, another topic from the writing section. how to develop descriptive paragraph on the topic the memorable day of my life. Okay, so I'm just giving you 2 minutes. You please try, hurry up, try to develop the paragraphs. You all please hurry up, bache. Yes. So we are going to discuss how to write descriptive paragraph on the topic the memorable day, of my life, the memorable day of my life. Okay. Now you have to develop paragraph on this topic. So it can be like this: the happiest day of my life. Okay, the happiest day of my life. So how will, so first you need to write. What you need to write? Yes, introductory line. So you need to write introductory lines. Please hurry up, and you all know that. Okay. So you have to write at least 1 to 2 lines. Okay, you have to write 1 to 2 lines, and you have to use simple present tense. Okay, that means simple present tense, and that means you have to use only first form of the verb. When you are developing introductory lines, then you are supposed to use first form of the verb. Clear? Okay, hurry up. So, who will suggest introductory lines? Okay. So, Manmeet, yes, I have unmuted you, beta. Manmeet, please suggest. Okay. Angel Preet. Okay, Angel Preet, I'm giving you turn, bache. Angel Preet, please suggest introductory lines. Okay.
Going to any place gives us happiness and knowledge. It refreshes our mind. It gives us experience about different things.
Okay, wait. Angel, please stop. So you have to write paragraph about memorable day. Okay? It's not about the visit. First, you have to write 1 or 2 sentences. Okay? So there must be one topic sentence. You all know that topic sentence tells what the paragraph is about. So paragraph, so that must be related to this day. So your first line or topic sentence must be related to this day. Try to make, yes. No, okay, hurry up. Hurry up. Okay, Mehak, I'm giving you turn. Mehak, I have unmuted you, but please introductory.
Ma'am, the lines are that all days are not special, but few days stand in our memories and make us very happy.
Okay, very good. Good, Shabash. Good, excellent. This one is for you, bache. Well tried. Okay, Kanishka. Kanishka, I have unmuted you. Suggest one introductory line, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, the memorable day of my life would be the day when I came to know that I was the second to score the highest in the commerce in my town.
Okay. 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 So here I'm going to suggest you introductory lines. Okay. So how you can start? So there are several days in our life. Okay. So there are several days in our life that bring joy and happiness. Okay. But some days are the happiest. And they stay longer in our and they stay longer in our mind. Okay. So this is how you can start the introductory lines. Clear, bache? Or you can write like this. So every day is a special. when I wake up daily, I thank to God for providing me or for adding one more day to my life. Okay. This is why, this is okay, because of this, I just get an opportunity to prove myself. Okay, now you have discussed 2 or 3 introductory lines. Okay. So now after that, what you have to write? You have to write supporting lines. You have to write supporting lines. Now here, you are supposed to write at least, okay, 8 to 10 lines. 8 to 10 lines. And you have to use simple past tense. You have to use simple past tense. Here, so you have to use simple past tense. That means second form of the verb. That means second form of the verb. I hope it is clear. Okay. Now, when you are supporting lines, what they help? So they help to develop the paragraph. Okay, they support the topic sentence. So sentence is about the day. Now you are going to describe. Okay, now you have to describe the special day. Okay, of your life. So how will you start? It can be. So you can relate the memorable day to any visit. Suppose last year you visited any place. Okay, that can there you enjoyed a lot. That can be the most happiest day or the memorable day. Okay, and if you visited, okay, and next, suppose any celebration. Okay, so you also can describe any celebration. Like, so last year's birthday was the most exciting birthday. Okay, so you also can mention that. Or suppose you did something new. Okay, you achieved, or you suppose you achieved something like, so you stood first in the final. Okay, that can be, so you also can mention that. Okay, so you can describe anything, but whenever you are describing the past event, what you need to understand, you need to keep in mind that you have to use simple past tense. That means second form of the verb. Okay. Okay, here I start. So, so you can, the happiest, so you can start like this, putting lines. So, yesterday, so my parents celebrated my 10th or 12th, okay, birthday last year. And that is the most memorable day of my life, okay? Or you can start like this, the most memorable day of my life when my parents celebrated my when I celebrated my dad's birthday. So what happened on that day? What was so special about that? What's so special about that day? So you can describe each and everything. So how you can describe, like, when in the morning I woke up, my parents wished me. Okay, or you can write like this, all family members, they came into my room and they all wished me happy birthday. Okay, now what happened next? My parents gave me a new dress to wear. Okay, and after that we all went to temple to seek the blessings of God. Okay, now I came back and my grandparents, okay, and I touched their, okay, and I seeked blessings also from them, and they gave me a beautiful wristwatch, or you can mention any gift. Okay, and now you can write 1 or 2 lines. So it was very beautiful. I really liked it. Okay, I really wanted to have this. So in this way, you can add 2 or 3 lines. Okay, now next, what you can do? Now what happens? Now I went to play with my friends. And you know what? When I came back home and opened the door, so I was surprised to see that my parents arranged a surprise party for me. So all the guests were there in the room. The room, or you can write like this. The room was very decorated with colorful balloons. Okay, with colorful papers or balloons. And everyone, as I entered, everyone clapped and wished me happy birthday. Okay, so my friends were also there. Okay, they gave me they wished me, or I cut the cake, and after that my parents, so my friends and okay, so we all we played different games. Now what happened next? I cut the cake and I got many gifts. Okay, and my mother, she what she did, she she also arranged a dance party for us. So we all danced and enjoyed a lot. Now, what next? Now you are going to concluding lines. Okay. So concluding lines means now here you have to write 2 to 3 lines. Okay, 2 to 3 lines again. Now, how was the experience? It was a wonderful experience, or you can write like this. I really enjoyed a lot. It was a great fun. Okay, so what happened? So it was the most memorable day of my life, and the memories of this day will remain in my life for a long time. Okay. So this is how you can develop a paragraph on this topic. Clear? I'm sure everything is clear to you. Okay. So first you need to write introductory lines. That is 1 or 2 lines. You have to use first form of the verb. Okay. Then supporting lines you need to write at least 8 to 10 or 12. You can write. Okay. So now you have to describe the event or the okay. You have to describe the event. Why? Okay. Now next you have to use second form of the verb. Now after that you have to write concluding lines. You need to write at least 2 to 3 lines. Okay. Clear? So now it's your turn. Please. Okay, I'm going to give turn to Mehak. Mehak, I have unmuted you, bache, please.
And I have written that we went to the happiest day of my life was then when we went to the trip of hill station.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have wrote that
Listen, Mehak. Mehak, listen. First, you need to speak up introductory lines. Okay. Hurry up. Yes.
okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the introductory lines are that, ma'am, every day that not every day is a memorable day for us, but the day that is memorable day for me was when we went to the hill station, trip of hill station.
Okay.
Ma'am, next I have written that we went to a hill station last month. It was very nice family trip where we enjoyed a lot. The trip was starting on a Sunday morning. We went there by van with my family and my uncle's family.
Yes.
And next, I have written that we there the weather was very cold. We were feeling like freezing like statue. After we wear our jackets, we went to the Thunder World, which was very different. I have seen not ever. Next, I have written that we went to the Rose Garden. Then afterwards, we went to the Rose Garden, where they were so amazing. They were so amazing. The flowers so amazing. It was a great scene to see all the flowers together. And then the next day we visited to Paikra and the boating experience. I went to the boating experience and I had so fun there. The trip was so wonderful that it cannot be explained in simple words. And this was the memorable day in my life, and I will never forget this day.
I enjoyed a lot on that day. So memories of
Ma'am, done.
will still remain fresh in your mind forever. Okay. Very good, beta. This one is for you. Well tried. Okay. Next. Okay. So Angel Preet, please. I have unmuted you, beta. Angel Preet. Yes. She's not being unmuted. Anybody else, please? Hurry up, hurry up. You should try, bache. At least speak up. Hurry up. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Agrim, are you there? I've unmuted you, bete. Okay, Harman. Yes, Harman. Very good, beta. Harman, I have unmuted you, bete. Yes.
My life was when
Yes, Harman, speak up, bete.
ma'am, when I went to South Korea,
Okay.
during the flight, we flew over a rainbow and we also clicked some pics of it. After reaching there, we went for a tour. Then we also went to a 3D art museum and a submarine ride.
मगर जल्दी बुला.
The experience there was very good, and the people over there were also very nice, very kind.
Yes. Okay, Harman, good bache. Very good bache. Very good. Shabash. Okay, now this one is for you. At least you tried. Okay. Next, Komal. Komal, I have unmuted you, beta. Please speak up. Hurry up, Komal.
Everyone has a special day that will never forget. The happiest day of my life is my 9th birthday. Last November, I celebrated my 9th birthday. Luckily, it was a Sunday too. It turned out to be the most memorable birthday of my life. In the morning, I invited my relatives. People came and gave me wonderful presents and wished me happy birthday. My elder brother took afterwards. The guests then went away. The evening was too different. On my birthday, I had invited about 10 friends of mine. They started arriving around 4:30 and they all had came by 5 o'clock. They gave me presents and wished me many happy returns of the day. This was my happy, memorable day of my life.
Very good, Komal. I like the way you started. Okay, you started with the introductory lines. Very good, bच्चा मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Then you described the event in the simple past tense. You used second form of the verb. That was also good. Okay, your concluding line, that was also good. Good, shabash. This one is for you, bच्चे. Good. Keep it up. Very good. Okay, now who is going? Yes, Angel Preet. Angel Preet, I have unmuted you, bete.
The happiest day of my life is when I go to picnic with my parents and my younger brother. We enjoyed a lot there.
Okay,
I When I and my brother was playing, I met my old friend. I was so happy to meet her.
okay.
Then
She reminded me of.
then I took permission. Then I took permission from my parents to spend time with my friend. Then I and my friend went to the cafe. We enjoyed a lot there.
Okay, beta, please. The meeting
Then
is going to end. Please
Told
listen.
me about
Listen. Now, what is your
that
homework? You have to revise lesson number 9 and you have to develop paragraph on this topic. Okay. So, best of luck for your exam, and we'll meet you in the new session, bache. Here. So, till then, bye. Have a nice day. Okay, bache.